In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the 3 most wasteful habits I see all short form content creators doing in their video editing workflow that are wasting years potentially of their lives, and what I do instead to take those years and bring them back into my life so I can do what actually I like to do and not waste so much time. But if you're probably thinking like, why the fuck should I listen to this guy that's handsome and wearing a blue t-shirt? Well, my name is Torsten Roscoe, and I help short-form content creators just like you streamline your editing workflow so now you don't have to do the exact same useless, wasteful task and waste years of your life potentially. All you have to do now is do a single drag and drop with my digital products, and boom, you get your time freedom back and you actually enjoy editing again. And if you want to learn more about those, I'll leave them down in the link description, and let's get right into these habits. So the first habit I see so many people doing that are just wasting their years, and I'm not putting anyone down. If they like this style, that's totally fine, and I have nothing against you. This style is good and it works, but I think it's just a huge waste of your time, and you could be making so much more money and not wasting years of your life just on this one simple style, and that is doing this kind of 3D style. Not, again, putting anything down on this guy. His work is absolutely amazing. I love this type of style, but to me, when you are trying to create content consistently and put out high quality content, you don't have 6 to 8 hours to make 3D editing videos exactly like this. You just don't. Just stop trying to get all the fanciest, best video editing. All the client wants is for you to deliver a high quality video that sticks to their story and lets them shine in their own way in the video. Now, the second thing I see most people do is they constantly keep making the same animation over and over and over again, and that's wasting so much fucking time when you can automate that entire process by using presets. Now let me show you how I like to do and use them. So for example, here is one of my hooks that did really well and performed really well. Obviously it's very engaging. It has these really nice high quality shine effects. This green just pops more. Everything just looks really good. And as you can see, everything looks super easy to make because it really was, and it's high quality. So the way I create these effects, as you can see right here, my TR appear up. All I have to do is, let's say this right here, I want this creator to peer up. So instead of me doing the exact same kind of coming over here, going like motion and doing all the position and doing all the keyframing, I don't have to do that anymore. All I have to do is come into my captions presets pack, and I can drag appear up, and now instantly, boom, it appears up. If I want it to appear down, I can just drag and drop it and peer down. This is going to save you potentially years of your life, and you're actually gonna start enjoying creating content and editing your content now, instead of dreading, oh, I gotta edit and do all that. Don't have to do that anymore. All you have to do is drag and drop it. I recommend you creating your own presets or getting them from someone. And the way to do that is once you have your preset, so for example, if I wanted this drop shadow right here, all I have to do is right click, hit save preset, and boom. You can name it whatever you want, hit okay, and then it's gonna pop up over here. If you want my presets, I'll leave them down in the link description. A ton of people use them. I totally recommend them. You get all this shine effect, you get all these fonts. Every single thing you see here, you will get. You get all these hooks. I have so much, it's unbelievable, but I just wanna leave you with this. These presets have essentially changed my life and has saved me years and years of my life that I would never get back if I didn't have this, because it just saves me so much time, and I actually enjoy video editing again. And not only me, but a ton of other people. Like Ryan Panetta is a huge creator. He uses them, he trusts them, he uses them in each and every single one of his videos. Same with Brian Delamata, my coach, he uses them a lot too. And Derek Orts, and a bunch of other people that I can just keep listing off, but I'm not gonna keep doing that. They trust these packs, so I'll leave those down in the link description, and I totally recommend them. They'll change your life just like they have mine. So the third and final habit you need to stop doing is trying to make everything fucking perfect in your edit, because your content is just never gonna be perfect. I mean, when I look at these, obviously when I play this, I mean, I see a lot of things like this, I think this could be a little smoother. Me talking could have been a little smoother. My editing could have been a little smoother. The drop shadows could be a little better. It could be a little darker right here. But at the end of the day, the viewer does not give a flying fuck what it is. Like, to be completely honest with you, over editing and trying to be a perfectionist is going to kill your content creation career or your video editing career. People don't care. I'm sorry, but your clients don't give a fucking flying fuck. So stop trying to perfect every single animation and just use a preset that you made once, or use mine, obviously, that are already high quality, so you can just drag and drop it, boom, you're done. That animation is almost probably to near perfect, and yeah, that's it. And if you want to learn more about short form video editing, go click this video right over here. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!